And the Golden Apple Awards are a program of the Greater Green Bay Chamber. Brianna Kehoe is the kind of teacher that you want to have. She has endless energy, a love for learning, and a passion for her students. Fox 11's Michelle Melby got a chance to see her in action in her classroom at Pulaski Middle School on a day when everyone was picking apart their assignment.
Yeah! It's Frog Dissection Day.
That's a good juicy one for you.
In Brianna Kehoe's classroom.
Oh my God!
These 7th graders from Pulaski Middle School put on their gloves and goggles and got right into the action.
We're missing a foot on this one. Not sure what happened.
We're cutting open the frog to see the organs inside. A little disgusting, but kind of cool to see how functions work together.
The students see a lot of hands-on labs like this, bringing the science to life for them.
If I'm not having fun, they're not having fun. So every day, I mean, if you came in here all day, you would see each class a little bit different because I'm always tweaking, trying to make things better.
Kehoe has been having fun with science for almost 22 years. Now she's a Golden Apple recipient.
I want the kids to walk out of the room liking science a little bit more than when they came in.
Kehoe absolutely loves being a teacher, and her students say it shows.
Oh, she's amazing. She's the best science teacher I've had. She helps with everything. She's kind and helpful. She's just really nice with the kids, and she helps explain things very easily.
She is very energetic and loves just getting up, teaching, and she loves doing the labs.
And so then we'll double pin this back.
Monitors like these are located throughout the classroom, so no matter where the students are seated, they have a great idea and visual of what's going on in the labs.
Now we're gonna get the last lobe, and then hold on, we have our gallbladder right here. See that? We wanna get that out too.
Kehoe says the kids are her motivation to keep going and keep improving, and she hopes to do so for years to come.
When I get things just right, then it's time for me to retire because I'm always gonna try and make it better.
Michelle Melby, Fox 11 News.
Be sure to watch our coverage of the 32nd Annual Golden Apple Awards ceremony next week. Our tribute to local educators airs Thursday, April 3rd at 10 p.m. right here on Fox 11, and again on Friday, April 4th at 6 p.m. on CW 14. Fox 11, along with these other organizations, are proud to be sponsors of this year's Golden Apple Awards.